This conference will now be recorded.
Hello everybody, my name is Sai Krishna from Technocourses. Today I'm going to talk about Google Collab. It's also called as colaboratory. So it is a free Jupyter notebook environment. It doesn't need any set of patrons entirely on cloud. We only need internet for this. So actually they are giving many good features for its users. Let's look at that. First of all, it's very easy to uh, open and use. So you just have to search for Google Colab. You just have to search for Google Colab. This is the link. You just have to go into this, and there it is. You get many options. Like if you need a new notebook, these are my existing files. Uh, these are my Python notebooks or my Python files which are in Google Drive. We can even get the code from GitHub, and if we have a code Python notebook file in ours like this, for example, this is a Python notebook file, so I can open it here. So you can see here it's a success. I got it. So that's how you do it. So let's go to the basics. Here you have file options. You have many options, like you can open new notebook from here itself. You can open an existing notebook. You can upload a new notebook. The notebook here, it means IPython notebook. Yeah, you can save a copy to drive. You can save the file. You can, if you made a Python code in Google Colab. So, for example, if you click on this open new notebook, it will open this one as something like this. You can change everything here. You can change the name here. Like I'm giving it Colab demo, and that's it. Yeah, and even here you have upload. This upload is to uh, upload any file if you want. For example, mm, any data sets if you want, or any zip files if you have. Sorry, zip folders if you have, you can upload them. Uh, so I'm going to upload a data set. Starting with this data set, for example. Yeah, after the runtime is finished, the file will be sent into the recycle bin. Yeah, you can see here I have uploaded it into this one. So you have some more options, like you have mount drive. So this is to permit your notebook or your collab to Google Drive files. So I'm just connecting to Google Drive. So you have to give you access permissions, like click here, and that's it. Your drive is getting mounted, as you can see here. So my drive got mounted here. So this is my drive, my Google Drive. I can go inside this one, and these are my files. So these are all the files which I have in my drive. So I was telling you, if you want to open notebook, you can go here. The recent option will give you only the recent ones, most recent ones. So let me open something again. I have opened one more file. Yeah, and in this file you can see I have written some text here. Then I have code. If you want text, you can click this. If you want code, you can click this for this. So I'll show you here again. Yeah. If you want new code, you can click here. If you want new text, you can click here. If you want to delete that cell, you can delete the cell like this, or text like the heading. If you want to unzip, you can just yeah, like I was telling you, if you want to unzip, for example, if I want to unzip this file, so I have a zip file here, image.zip. I can unzip that using this syntax: exclamation unzip. You can just right click on this one to get the address, copy path. Just do this. Yes, that will do the job. Yeah, I'm sorry. So this, there is a space here, so yeah, you have to remove the space. So yeah, if you do this, if you put, if you use single quotes or double quotes for the folders which have a space, you can access them. Yeah, you can see here all the files are getting extracted. These are images, so we can see that it has PNG or JPG in the end. Yeah, and also the Google Colab is providing GPU. This is 24 GB graphic card. This is I'm sure that this is Tesla K90. Uh, yeah, you have to change runtime as GPU so that it works very good. It works very fast. Yeah, and for each Python file, you have to change runtime time. Just make sure it runs on GPU. So Google Colab is providing 24 GB graphic card or GPU and 32 GB RAM, and it's like a virtual machine. It runs in on Linux. So I will show you. If you open anything here, you can see Linux files. One second, I will show you. And you can see here TensorFlow is already inbuilt in Colab. Yeah. But this is Linux environment, and all the files you do, everything you do here, it goes into content. Your drive that is itself is in contents, and everything goes to contents. Even if you upload anything using this option here, everything goes to content folder. And also we have a share option here. You can click on share. If you want to share this file, just enter the email address, and just remember that you don't forget to click on this option, can view. If you give the edit option to your friends, if they change in their system, make a change, some change in their system, that will be reflected here. This thing will be changed. I don't want to share anything. So yeah, and this is like the basic demo for Google Colab. And also, if you want to run a cell, you can enter Shift Enter is to run. Shift plus Enter, that is to run the cell, or else you can just click this option. And so that is a brief introduction to Google Colab. So bye, bye everyone. See you later again.